Alright guys, mga ka-rider, ang ating riding ngayon ay ibang klase. Kasama natin si Commander nasa likod. Ang ating gagawin ngayon guys ay ay magpa-practice. Grabe naman. Sa tanda natin sa tanda na natin ay magpa-practice pa rin. Anyhow, I'll tell you why. Practicing is always the best that you can do, right? Kasi nga, it's for your own safety. Hindi basta alam mo na magbibisikleta ka na, kahit saan na, ayos na. So the thing is, why we need to practice? Dahil kailangan natin ng konting sundan yung rules. Di ba? Kasi kung sakali nasa traffic, or magbike ka kunyari sa crowd area, sa mga bike trails, ganyan, na make sure na alam mo kung paano makipag-communicate, tsaka yung lalong-lalo na balancing, diba? So yan yung guys, balancing, come on. So balancing is one of the most thing that we have to do. Dahil lalo na kung let's go this way. Lalo na kung yung dinadaanan natin na trail ay medyo maikli, ganyan, makitid, tapos may mga rami kang mga kasalubong, diba? So ang ating kasama ay hindi pa siya sanay ng ganun. So ngayon lang kami nagbike. So alam naman natin, lahat tayo ay from the young age ay nagbibisiklen na tayo, pero pag kayong nagka-edad na, you forgot about, riding your bicycle no more. Kagaya ko, like this bike ko na to, this is like 23 years old. So nandun lang siya na naka-stuck. Ito pa yung bike ko nung araw. So this is 2002 na mountain bike, Norco Charger. Ito yung sikat nung that time. So I kept it dahil maganda pa rin siya. So ang papracticein natin ay si Mrs. dahil hindi ko siya may sama sa mga bike trail dahil kulang pa siya ng tawag nito, balancing, lalo na sa mga kagaya ng tight turning. Yung kasi ang nangyayari pag kayong ganun, just like what I mentioned earlier, nung bata tayo ay nagbibisikleta na tayo, pero once nung nagkaedad na, you forget everything. Hindi ka na nagbabike, di ba? Ngayon na nagkakaedad, napaka-importante ang isang magandang pagbabike. Kaya ngayon, tignan nyo ngayon, ang weather ngayon ay napakalamig, pero ayos lang, basta ma-handle mo. Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon, dito tayo magpa-practice. So our first step ay yung follow the line. Ito yung sinabi ko sa kanya. Okay, let's do this one like maybe a couple of rounds. So ang aming unang gagawin muna, simple lang, para ay sundan tong linya. Yeah, let's do another one. I'll follow you. Ayan. So, kailangan ng sanayin dahil kasi akong nag ano sa kanya para bumalik siya ulit sa magbisikleta. Turn from there. Yeah, turn. You can go right turn, it's okay. You follow this line. So yung isang kailangan natin siyang turuan dahil hindi siya makapag-turn ng tight turn. So we'll do that one, our next one. Alright guys, so ito yung ipapagawa ko sa kanya. So susundin niya lang tong mga linya, tapos iiwasan niya yung bola. So he's gonna go, yeah, so she's gonna go like that, like this, tapos ganun. Tapos dito kakaliwa siya o kaya kakanan. So maybe it's too close. Is it too close? Maybe it's too close. Maaaring masyadong malapit. Luwagan pa natin ng konti. Alright, so bigyan natin siya ng instruction. So ang gagawin niya ay ganito. Let me just remove my gloves. Okay, so you can start from here. So you're gonna start from here, okay? So you just do like this, diba? Make sure na wag mong tatamaan yung bola, okay? And then you turn right here or turn left. And then make a U-turn. Yeah. And then come back up, back here. And then do the same thing. Okay, so we're good. Ready? Okay, go. Yeah. Okay, try again. Yeah. Okay, you can start from that side. Try it. You made it. See? Ano kasi ito, ang purpose natin dito ay basic muna, simple muna. Kailangan ma-practice muna yung tawag ito, yung follow the line, tapos yung kung paano avoid yung mga kung ano mang object or anything. Oh. So right now we're gonna do, ang gagawin natin ay swerving. So you gotta try to do it this way, like this. So, ito ang gusto kong gawin mo. Yung swerving ay iiwasan natin yung Okay? So you gotta come and do it this way, like this. Okay? Swerve. Ganun lang. Back again. Like you do a little bit speed, okay, and then swerve. Pero kailangan mo lagyan ng konting ng speed. Okay, so you do this. Siyempre, hinto mo yung pedal mo. Ganun. That's right. Okay? Kasi in case na mayroong sudden na or anything object na kailangan mong iwasan, at least alam mo kung paano umiwas. Okay, let's do that one. Huwag mo nang kailangan sundan ng mga ito. I'll remove them. So just go. It's okay, ha? Okay lang. Okay lang. Hindi, kailangan nandito ko sa gitna. Yeah. Yeah, gitna, and then magsusurf ka. That's it. Better. Yeah, so you gotta practice both left and right. Ito, so guys, itong ginamit natin ay yung tennis ball at hinati ko lang. Ayun. Go a little bit speed. So ginamit ko to guys sa nung nagpa-practice pa lang ako sa training ko ay nung kumuha ako ng license ng motorsiklo. Try again. That's better. Now do the other side. Do the other side. One more time, do the other side. So look for open space like this. And then, especially most likely in the weekend time. Kasi lahat sarado. No, on the other side. Left side.
Oh, left side.
Yeah. Eh, paano kung dito ka sa left side, gusto mong umiwas? Okay, good. Try it here. Dito ka magsimula. One more. Okay, good. One more. Right on. Alright mga ka-rider. That's it for now. And then we will just gonna go another more riding. Dito siguro around the area. Alright guys, so ngayon tapos na yung first lesson natin. So mag-ride muna tayo here sa around the area, around the Bacod. Are you following? Pero dito na lang muna tayo sa sa sidewalk. Oh, now you can turn. Now you can follow and turn. Dati kasi guys, pag nag-turn siya sa may sidewalk na ganun, bumababa siya. Are you good? Okay ka lang? Kita nyo guys yung puno ay laglagan na ng mga dahon. No? You wanna go through this way? Yeah? Okay, let's go. This is like a shortcut though. Shortcut to. Okay lang? Yeah, so ano na, end na siya ng fall. So nahulog na lahat yung mga as you can see guys, yung mga kahoy ay tuyot na, kala mo patay. We're going through the alley. Careful. Okay ka lang? Can you go in between? Let me see. Oh, you made it. Nice. So we're gonna make a turn here, turn left. Make sure you can make it. I know you can. Turn left, okay? Turn left. Oh, she made it. You wanna go through here or you wanna go around the sidewalk? Around the sidewalk? Okay, because this is the shortcut here. But if you don't want, we'll go around the sidewalk. Let's go around the sidewalk though. You know how to change the gear? I thought her that before. O paano? Oh, may tao ha. Huwag mong bubunggoyin yung tao. Hindi ko na siya. Ha? Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. So until next time again, I'll see you guys back here again. Right here in Lakay Motu. Hello. The dog doesn't like bicycle. Yeah. So guys, until next time, I'll see you guys back here again. Dito pa din sa Lakay Moro Rafael Canmoro.